Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So guess what guys, today we're gonna do another farm tour, this time here at the Cradle of Humankind, 45 minutes away from Johannesburg. Also they do this once per month, so don't forget to contact them first before you come here. I'll leave all the contacts down below so you guys can take care of that. And again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. So the stall looks like inside.
Hi, I'm Devin Mitchell and welcome to Jodev Farms. So at Jodev Farms what we try to do is we grow all our produce on the farm ourselves and then we sell it here through our farm store. So on the farm we do beef, pork, chickens, eggs, organic vegetables. Those are our main lines, and then we do a whole lot of other things in the process, compost, honey, firewood, all those sort of things that come with it. Yeah, we are based in the Cradle of Humankind, only 15 minutes from Lanseria Airport, and yeah, welcome to Jodev Farms.
So this is where we're going for the tour, so we're gonna hop up there. And here we go. An idea. Sustainable living, I guess.
And with the broiler chickens, so they get fresh pasture every day, nice clean piece, and then there's also no cleaning for yourself. So nothing to clean up afterwards. But they will slaughter at 6 weeks. So it's a really quick turnaround when you're doing chicken. And you don't need a lot of land area. You know, it's really small land area.
Like they move the chickens, you know, underneath this cage. They basically drag the thing, so every day the chickens have like a new grass bedding to eat, you know, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 just here. The kids enjoying it that time. Hello, what's your name? How old are you?
No, everything's integrated.
4. And tell us, why are you so passionate about the animals and the farm?
It's just like because I like them, so I just want to feed them with my hand.
Okay, alright. And when you grow up, what do you want to be?
I want to be a farm feeder.
A farm feeder. Oh wow, well done. And you like chickens?
Mm-hmm.
Are they your favorite?
The only chickens I love is The baby chickens.
Little one, what do you want to be when you grow older?
I want to be a millionaire.
A millionaire, good. And what are you going to create? What business you are going to be in?
I'm going to create a science lab to check how am I going to teleport to places.
Oh wow, so you're going to create wormholes and space travel, the speed of light to get to other galaxies and planets.
I can get to Texas.
Ah, you want to go to Texas, you don't want to do space travel. Teletransportation, right?
Teleport to anywhere.
I get you. So look at the view. Whoa. Oh wow.
One egg only.
Wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you taking an egg also?
Dang!
There you go. Look at that beautiful color of those eggs, eh? Look at them. Come here, rooster. Come here. Don't run. Let's start pushing this type of tourism also. Are they eating?
Yep.
Okay, can you guys see this boiler? They also produce their own coal. Right here. Okay, so they also filter their own water. Yeah, do you think that Joburg was only an industrial hub? Look at all this. Look at all this beauty. And wait. That gentleman is completely living off grid. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
I've got you.
So,
And you can smell this. No smell.
Yeah.
Hey, what does it smell like?
It smells like soil.
Yes.
soil.
Do you want to smell?
So, and this is,
No. Smell. You want to smell? So asking that they want to try.
But those are the compost worms. It's not.
yeah, red regular, yeah.
Yeah, ready. Remove
So
the
it
bottom
creates
layer.
compost basically.
Yeah, so this is all just food waste that we get at a really cheap price. So instead of buying GMO food for pigs and chickens and all that, we just buy and waste that pig factories are trying to get rid of at a really cheap price compared to your typical feed. And then, so this is all just a grain at the end of the day. And chickens and that love this stuff. So instead of having to go buy maize and that to feed them, mix this in with their normal feed, and you're getting a really good product at the end of the day for really cheap. And the product that's actually really good for them as well. And then you'll still mix that in with your veg and everything, and then pigs can also eat.
Okay, so what we learned today, you need to be a responsible consumer and see and watch out what you're eating, because nowadays animals are fed with GMOs, aka genetically modified organisms that will have a huge impact in your health. So just be very careful, read labels and investigate. We need to be responsible consumers, guys. Okay, so I guess this is where they package the products that they manufacture in the farm. Okay. Of course, it's Saturday, nothing is working, but this is to give you guys an idea. This is actually the meat processing part of the farm, I guess, if I'm not incorrect. Pumalanga, but different. One thing that I'm gonna start doing is pushing this type of tourism right here in Gauteng, because there is a lot of farms, there are a lot of things to see. So I want to make sure that you guys get out of the house and come and experience our beautiful province.
I love my mother because she makes the best food, and sometimes I cry a bit, and also I stop crying, and also I can play with my brother together.
Right now, people can find they can find us on WhatsApp Business using the number 067 659-2333, and soon they will be having their social media platforms up. We're just trying to clean up a few things and just give them the confidence to trust their hands in their product. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what's the name of the business?
The name of the business is Farm to Table Bros.
Okay guys, and we're done. Make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button. And I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.